So this is another DF drone project update. At the moment I'm currently testing the system, still connected to the power supply here at 15 volts, 0.1 amps, running on essentially standby. I have it still connected with these spider webs because I simply want to test the connections, and I want to integrate some more modules, some more sensors, so that these allow me to quickly interchange the pins if I need to, and also to add more features as required, instead of designing the board, which I could do right now, but then I will have to test, of course, several designs with different sensors, with different setups, so this is not really convenient for me at the moment. So I will wait until I have a basic setup that I want to test for the flight, and then I will design the board so that it is a little bit more professional. Also, of course, because in terms of EMI right now, we are at risk with this spiderweb connection, because the problem is also that since the EMI right now is not optimal, because we have these connections like this, I can have some, first of all, large interferences, but I can also have some large emissions that can contribute to the overall system, and it can damage the system if, for example, if I'm flying and I have some EMI problems, then this one can definitely disrupt the whole system. So I don't want to do that at the moment, but I will wait until I have a basic setup to do that. So I'm controlling the drone with this keyboard here, which is connected to, I have it connected to the setup in here, which is a laptop, and I have it connected to the USB port, which is now communicating via the ESP32 and the LoRa module connected in here. Again, still, this is not optimal, but it works for what we need so far, because I can arm in here the drone, and then I can also give him some speed just via this keyboard here, which makes it a little bit safer for me, because I can stay at a distance, and then I can test some basic functionalities. You can see that the drone wants to start lifting at the moment. We are at 15 volts and 3 amps. If I give more throttle, it wants to fly, of course, but I don't really want to do that because I know it's going to damage the system. So I need to build also a testing rig so that I can start tuning the PID, which I have already set up, and then prepare this project for the actual flight itself. So you can see that now if I give a little bit more, it will fly. So if you're interested in this project here, you can of course head over to the EMI Control Academy, where I'm sharing how we're going to turn this project into a professional project, and also on how we're going to design the boards for the ESC, also for the flight controller itself, how we're going to do all the connection, the code, and everything. So if you're interested, just head over to the EMI Control Academy, and I see you in the next one.